7 steps to overcome darkness. 7 steps to overcome darkness. What is darkness? Darkness means feeling overwhelmed by negative emotions, hopelessness, or despair. And in today's video, we're going to look at the 7 steps to overcome darkness. Number 1 step is acknowledge and accept. Acknowledge and accept. Recognize the darkness you are experiencing and accept it as a temporary state. Avoid denying or suppressing your emotions, as this can prolong the darkness. Number 2, seek spiritual guidance. Connect with a higher power or seek spiritual guidance through prayer, meditation, or reading inspirational texts. This can help you find comfort and peace directions. Number 3, reach out for support. Talk to trusted friends or a therapist about your struggles. Share your feeling with others can help you feel heard, validated, and support. Number 4, practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy, help you relax, and promote overall wellness. Number 5, focus on the positive. Shift your attention to the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Practicing gratitude can help you cultivate a more positive mindset. Number 6, take small steps forward. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Celebrate your success, no matter how small it is, to build momentum and confidence. Number 7, at the last, hold on to hope. Remind yourself that darkness is temporary and that better days are ahead. Hold on to hope and know that you have the strength to overcome any challenge. You need to remember that overcoming darkness is a process that takes time, patience, and support. Be gentle with yourself and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Thank you for watching this video. Please see that this video is helpful to you. Kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to drop a comment and like the video. God bless you.